What is going on? Sorry for the shakiness, but this thing's small and I'm trying to just get in on it quick. I have a broken tile. The battery died. So I went online to order new ones and it says the battery's replaceable in the new ones. It got me thinking, well, there's a battery in this one too. So with these little scissors, feed snips, I cracked this apart carefully. Then I pried this little baby off. And lo and behold, look what we have holding this. Just a plain old 2025. So, we're going to try to change it. Let's see if it works. So there was a little bit of glue. Took girlfriend's hairdryer to it and slowly pried it off. Let's install this new one and see if it works. Well, making noise.